Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast, and hope you had a great Thursday. It was a soggy and kind of cool one out there and didn't pick up a whole lot of rain. We'll talk about that in a second, but look at this beautiful shot from our Rondo Rock camera. We've always said we live in God's country, and there you have it. What a fantastic shot, looking down right at Turtle Rock and that little opening of clouds with some sun peeking through, and we didn't see a whole lot of sunshine today with all the low-hanging clouds and that light misty rain. And as we continue into our overnight and into Friday, we can expect some scattered showers to continue tonight and maybe even some light mountain snow, although our snow level 4,500 feet, so most mountain passes in our area are safe from that, although we could see maybe a rain-snow mix over Stevens Pass tonight and into Friday. But our showers aren't done then. We have more showers to talk about as we get into the upcoming weekend. Unofficially today, our afternoon high temperature only 47 degrees, but that's still a couple of degrees above where we should be at 45 degrees. Our record 67, and that was set back in 2015. Look at that warm overnight low, and we just didn't warm up all that much. 43 this morning, 31 is where we should be for a low temperature, and 14 our record set in 1985. Believe it or not, we've only picked up 4/100ths of an inch of rain. That now gets us to 4.46 inches for the year, which is still just over an inch and a half behind where we should be for this time of year. Sunrise 7:03 this morning and set this afternoon at 4:27. All right, taking a look at your Friday temperatures, things will warm up. The rain, not so much going away, though. We'll see almost mid-50s. In fact, 55 for Moses Lake and Ephrata tomorrow, 54 in Quincy, 53 from Ellensburg into Wenatchee, 52 for Eniat and Chelan, 51 in Leavenworth, and a nice 52 tomorrow for you folks in Kashmir. As we take a look at tonight, cloudy skies, and here's that little weather maker bringing clouds and showers right up into our state. Most of those showers will become scattered overnight, still some in the northern Cascades, so Winthrop, Twisp, you could see some of that overnight tonight. Low temperatures, lower 40s. For Friday, mostly cloudy skies as that weather system moves to the north. Here's our trough, and we could still see some showers spilling over the Cascades into our area. 40% chance of rain and warmer. High temperatures tomorrow in the low 50s. And then look at Saturday. Mostly cloudy skies. Just a chance for scattered showers on Saturday. But high temperatures, we're talking mid to maybe even upper 50s as we kick off our upcoming weekend. So very mild weather for Saturday expected. On Sunday, our next weather maker slides up into British Columbia, and that'll bring some more clouds our way. An accompanying cold front will slide through, and there's that 40% chance of rain on Sunday. Highs still mild for this time of year into the low 50s. And then kicking off our next work week, low pressure once again to our north will kick off a wide area of morning showers on Monday. We'll stay mostly cloudy in the afternoon. Most of the shower activity will move into Spokane area on Monday afternoon. High temperatures just a little cooler, around 50 degrees, and then we will begin to cool down on Tuesday. Partly cloudy skies and cooler for Tuesday. Notice the blotches of blue. Those are 30-degree high temperatures creeping down from Canada. We'll see upper 40s on Tuesday, and then by the end of our forecast on Wednesday, once again, another big storm winding up off the coast of California. We'll just see partly cloudy skies, though, on Wednesday, but we're going to continue with those cooler temperatures. We're talking highs on Wednesday only into the mid-40s. All right, your 7-day forecast now, and it's brought to you by Colonial Vista Senior Living in Wenatchee, where comfort, care, and community come together. Very mild overnight once again tonight, 43 degrees for us. A 40% chance of lingering showers on Friday, but warmer, 53 our high. Just a 30% chance of scattered rain on Saturday to kick off our weekend. But look at that high temperature, 56 degrees. We'll stay with some showers on Sunday and 53. Morning rain for Monday and 50 degrees. And then much drier weather towards the first and middle part of next week, but also much cooler. By Wednesday, high temperatures only 44 degrees. And that's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report. with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.